Saturday 25th of August 2018 and we all agree to meet at the RSA campsite. The area has stunning sea views over to the islands of Skye, Rum and Egg, an ideal touring ground for the rib guys and girls from down south. Next day we made our way to Malig Marina, where the ribs were moored. As the ribs were readied for the sea, I watched a big blubber boy watching me. He then proceeded to show how seaworthy he was by falling asleep upside down. As the seal sank out of sight, we slipped the mooring ropes and eased out the pontoon berth. As the weather was very Scottish and unpredictable, it was decided we would have a boogie down the sheltered waters of the Sound of Sleet. But first we went into Loch Nevis. To see the Virgin Mary, who blesses all who pass. Although Mary is a virgin, she has a hairy ass. Then we boogied down the street, sheltered in the Sound of Sleet, heading for Kyle while listening to some Chris Rea.
Nashville sky and morning sun, somewhere up north the moonlight begun. He was drawn to the twister with a Memphis sound, kissed by an angel of a music town. Whoa, Mississippi, whoa, Mississippi. Jump a train from Chicago, trace it back with the neck of a bottle and the groove of the tracks. Whoa, Mississippi, where you spend your life running from that angel sweet sound, chasing the ghosts of a faraway town. Whoa, Mississippi.
Once through the narrows of Kyle we turned into Loch Alsh, crossed the entrance to Loch Duach, then gawped and gazed at historic Eilean Castle. Then headed to Kyleakin and the Isle of Skye for some lunch. rain passed as we scoffed lunch with gravy. He then enjoyed another fast boogie back to Malay.
He was drawn to the twister with a Memphis sound, kissed by an angel of a music town. Whoa, Mississippi. Whoa, Mississippi. Jump a train from Chicago, trace it back with the neck of a bottle and the groove of the tracks. Whoa, Mississippi. Well, you spend your life running from that angel sweet sound, chasing the ghosts of a faraway town.